Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pravculear, and today we are going to be reviewing this here keyboard, and it is the RK920 Rainbow keyboard from Royal Kludge. And yeah, one thing to note about this keyboard is it's wired, so there's no rechargeable battery to worry about, so that's not an issue. What is an issue is that the table isn't detachable, so if the table gets busted for whatever reason, well, that's game over for your keyboard, so that's kind of an issue with reviewing keyboards, but no, well, it is what it is. As for the typing, what do you say I just show you what that's like with a bit of a typing test, along with a sound test, so we can go over how it sounds again. So I'm going to be turning off the filter that prevents you from hearing my computer fans, and along with adding plus 10 decibels, so it's currently set to minus 4 decibels. So, yeah. Well, that's a typing test concluded along with a sound test. Yeah, figured I'd get two birds with one stone for that one. And, yeah, it's a decent keyboard to type on. So, I guess that sums up my thoughts. And, yeah, if you're wondering about the different RGB modes, well, let's just say this is the only RGB color mode that you get, because, there's that. So, yeah. Anyways, that's a review. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video all over social media if you want to, help out the channel and the algorithm for free. And if you want to support the channel financially and help pay for more of these kind of videos, well, there's always a Ko-Fi route, where you can find a link, in the description. And you can get your name on the credit stream for as little as $1 a month. And if you also want another way of supporting the channel, well, you can pick up this keyboard through the affiliate link in the description below. And I'll also support the channel. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow or whenever the next one posts. So, yeah, bye.